Let us start with the next data type, that is your dict dictionary. So when you talk about the dict, we'll see what are the important uh, conclusions there, like all in points. But before that, I would like to say you dictionary is nothing but you need to have a synonym for dictionary. So when you talk about dictionary, you should keep in mind that dictionary is nothing but having a key value pair. So if you have the values like key value, key value, key value, that is termed as dictionary. The dictionary is shown in this way, like a curly braces, same like set. Let us see some examples like what is this key value pair. So let me take a syntax here. इसका syntax लेता हूँ यहाँ पे. So if you are giving like taking a dictionary d or any variable, so that will be enclosed in your curly braces. So the values will be like this: k1 colon v1. So that is key value, key value, comma, key value. So if your values or if your elements inside this dict are in key value, then we call it as a dictionary. Okay, so let me take one dictionary here real time. So I'll take an example of our class. For example, student roll number 1, and his name is, suppose, is a data engineer. 2, number 2, id number 2 is from data analyst, and number 3 he may be from data scientist, and fourth he may be your business intelligence. Okay, so let me run this. Yeah, it has executed, but I haven't printed it. So let me print d, and let me print your type of d. So your output should be, hey, this d is a dictionary type. Yeah, you got uh, d here, and the class is dictionary. Very simple. So key value, key value, key value, key value. Just imagine, can I take the key as duplicates? Suppose if I say 4 colon, and if I say that hey is a big data developer, and if I run this, so your key is repeating. Can I run this? So duplicate keys, yeah, duplicate keys are not allowed, whereas duplicate values are allowed. You can say if I take 5 as bi, so you can see that your employee id 5th and 4th both are from the business intelligence department. That is what I'm talking. So your keys are duplicate keys are not allowed, whereas duplicate values are allowed. Okay, let me repeat. So it dictionary always represents a key value pair. So the duplicates keys are not allowed. So you can see these duplicate keys are not allowed, but duplicate values are allowed here. And you can take obviously heterogeneous objects. All the data types are allowed in this. So heterogeneous object. Now if I say that, hey, can you change the value of 1, that is, okay, I'll take 2, that is your da. Can you write it to data engineer? Let me check this, and let me print d. Okay, hey, can you please print d now? Okay, so I have changed the, yeah, beautiful, you can see your, okay, this was data analyst. Okay, so 1.1 was de, you got as it is, but your second key, so we are not talking about index, guys, we are not talking about index here. Indexing is different. Indexing works on your list tuple, but when you talk about the dictionary, either we are not talking about index, but we are talking about key. Hey, can you replace the value of this key to data engineer? Yeah, it is replaced here, you can see here. So I can write a conclusion here. I can see that here it is mutable, that is changeable, right? It is changing. So your dictionary is your mutable, and indexing and slicing are not are not applicable, are not applicable in dictionary. Why it is not applicable? So it is because of order. So here order is not preserved. In dictionary also order is not preserved. In dictionary the order is not preserved. If order is not preserved, we call it as a like indexing and slicing are not applicable in this. So we are going to see in detail about the dictionary, not to worry, in detail about the data structures of dictionary. But for now, we'll do till here. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning.